Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your accounts. Sign into Google Play Console with owner or admin privileges because only those roles can link external systems. Once signed in, create a service account in Google Cloud, generate a JSON key, and enable the Play Developer API. This gives PES programmatic access. Next, make sure you record the exact package name, you'll link. After that, open PES's integration panel and choose Google Play. This is the first actionable step to initiate the secure link. Once done with authentication, upload the service account JSON key into PES and run an auth test. You should see a successful token exchange. Then map each Google Play package name to the corresponding PES app ID and align key data fields. Install, revenue, crash, and event names, so PES ingests correctly. Make sure you grant read and write permissions for the service account and set a sync schedule that matches your reporting cadence. If you need immediate data, trigger a manual sync to validate mappings. To finish, run a manual sync and inspect the PES dashboard for recent installs, purchases, and event streams. You want to confirm timestamps, user ID, and metric totals. If everything matches, schedule regular automated syncs and document the mapping for future audits. If data is missing or duplicated, check API quotas, ensure the uploaded service key is current, and verify the service account has the proper permission scopes in Play Console. If needed, rotate the key and reauthorize the connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.